In the bustling city of Thrissur, the air was filled with excitement as the month of Medom approached. It was time for the much-awaited Thrissur Pooram, a festival deeply rooted in tradition and cultural fervor. The Thiruvambadi and Paramekavu temples, known for their elaborate celebrations, were abuzz with preparations. This year, a unique theme had been chosen by both temples, Ram Lal. The decision sparked interest and anticipation among the devotees and spectators who thronged to witness the grandeur of the festival. However, amidst the festive spirit, tensions simmered due to unprecedented restrictions imposed by the police, marking a stark departure from the usual seamless festivities. As the night of Thrissur Pooram unfolded, disappointment swept through the crowds gathered at the Swaraj round. The police's unwanted intervention had disrupted the flow of events, causing a rift between tradition and authority. Spectators, volunteers, and committee members felt the weight of the restrictions, dampening the festive atmosphere. In a surprising turn of events, BJP candidate Suresh Gopi and LDF candidate V.S. Sunilkumar rushed to the Thiruvambadi Devaswam's office, recognizing the gravity of the situation. However, their efforts to mediate were hindered by the unavailability of Revenue Minister K. Rajan, leaving a void in the attempts to find a resolution. Meanwhile, the delay in the scheduled fireworks display added to the growing frustration among the spectators. The hours ticked by, and the eagerly anticipated pyrotechnic show seemed like a distant dream. Disappointment rippled through the crowd as they wondered about the purpose of waiting for such a long time, only to witness the fireworks in broad daylight. Amidst the uncertainty and disappointment, the Thiruvambadi Devaswam took a bold stand. They decided to halt the festivities in protest against the unwanted restrictions imposed by the police. The abrupt stoppage of the Madathal Varavu procession, with only one elephant and no customary Panchavadyam, symbolized the discord that had marred the festival's spirit. Political figures and local leaders scrambled to intervene and salvage what remained of the celebration. The unavailability of the revenue minister further complicated the situation, leaving the festival in a state of disarray. Ultimately, after a delay of about 3.5 hours, the fireworks display finally took place around 6:45 a.m., much to the disappointment of the spectators who had waited eagerly through the night. The clash between tradition, administrative challenges, and political interventions had cast a shadow over Thrissur Pooram 2024, underscoring the delicate balance between preserving heritage and navigating modern governance issues.